Should you invest in at-home red light therapy device? What do they even do? Today, we're going to talk about them. To make that investment, you kind of want to be for sure if it's actually going to work and it's going to do the thing that you expected to do. Whether if you recognize it or not, you already understand light's ability. Red light was initially wound healing. And it was recognizing, also noticed that it helped reduce redness and inflammation, skin rejuvenation overall by introducing and improving elasticity and overall tone of your skin. Mask does have other colors that we're going to talk about too in depth, but I like finding an item that has multiple LED color, lights that could give you different effects for different things you're going through. Like if you have the acne, then they say that blue is really gonna help the acne and the inflammation that's going on your face. And then like me, I have the melasma or sun damage, then I need to use the red light. This is the mask. It's many of them on the market. This one, because it is actually affordable and they do have a lot of great discounts going on. I like the very nice comfortable strap and it stays in place, and I like how it's built inside with the rubber around the eyes. So as I apply it on, it is so easy to actually turn on and it's easy to charge as well. I'm just gonna push back the hair a little bit. And you see it's on, voila. You know what I mean? It's like nothing to it. You can make it tighter on the straps right here if needed. I have so much hair. So let's see. Okay. See, and then I'm just gonna, it's actually sitting on my face. It's not like floating on my face. It's sitting on my face. I'm getting treatment as we're talking right now. Some cover the mouth to actually treat the mouth as well. And then some have like more of a goggle effect. And then some are like a shield. But this one does go all the way to the ear. I should push my hair back even more. And you can't even see the red light from peeking out, but it is red light underneath there. Let me show you guys. Just swipe like this, and you got the different LED lights. When I talk about using LED device light like this one for myself at home, does it make melasma worse? No, it should not. High quality LED devices should not bring out heat or trigger, it should not feel warm on your face. It's really the heat of the red light devices that would make me more concerned if it was going to exacerbate melasma. I just want to be totally clear. We're talking about red light. They are blue lights, green lights. This can do multiple different lights, but the red lights is more beneficial for me, and that's what I like the most. It's recommended to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes to get the full effect. If you really want it to really work and see a difference, I feel like I could clean around the house and wear it. It's not going to bother me at all. I could do it on my head and make your hair grow too. So I just put on my head for a little bit. It'll help for multiple things, not just your face. But as a girl needs that, because I need to just calm down that melasma. It just always comes in hardcore everywhere. If you've been watching my channel before and you're suffering with melasma, here's a couple videos that really helped me. Ding, ding, ding. Before and after, night and day, all the different things I've been doing over the time. Hyperpigmentation was one of your guys's questions on one of my other videos, and you have and another question was can I have my eyes open? Most of the manufacturers will let you know on the packaging if you can wear it safe or not, if you can wear your eyes open or closed. I personally like to close my eyes, but this one I can actually open my eyes. I don't see the red at all, but I do feel like it's a time to relax. And I wanted to help the skin on my eyelid too. So that's why I feel like it's best to have your eyes closed. So another thing is, how would this fit into my skin routine, you guys? I like to use this machine on clean skin, and I like to do it right in the midday or at night. But I need to make for sure my skin is totally flawless and clean. I do have a little bit of makeup on just so I could produce a nice video for you guys. But usually you have to do it with a nice, clean face. It's really worth it. If you have rosacea, it's going to work as well. If you have like chronic inflammation, I heard that it really can help calming if you use red light. It helps reduce redness, and it'll make your skin feel better. But take my word, if you're really struggling with melasma or fine lines and wrinkles, and you want your skin to have like tighter elasticity and just really nice, great, you want your collagen to be stimulant, and you just improve your quality of your skin, then this red light therapy is key. When I was young, I did not protect my face at all from the sun. I was just outside with no sunblock, no nothing. But now, now I'm in my upper 40s. I'm always wearing sunblock, always protecting my eyes. But I have tried lasers, Botox, all the great things that just comes at my skin from a different biological angle. But using this, it's really nothing that compares with this. It's nothing that's going to do the same thing as this. That's why I like red light therapy. And it's like an added bonus. And it's really great to use if you're pregnant. I mean, ask your doctor first, but you cannot use, you can't use your retinol. You can't use your Botox. You can't use like laser procedures. You can't do no peelings and stuff. But the red light therapy, you can use it. But a lot of things you're going through during your pregnancy. So this is one little thing that is a plus for that, as well as positive for your skin. This is a red therapy light that is effective, and I really like it. I've tried other masks, and I really personally love using it. I definitely do see a difference in my skin. If you have any other questions about red light therapy mask or this mask, please put it down in the description. This is the price of it right here. There it is. If you guys want to purchase it, all the descriptions and information and links are down below, just in case if you want to check it out. Invest in a red light therapy? I want to know. Share it in the comments. No judgment anyway. I just genuinely curious. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys next time.